Want to enjoy flying a drone without spending a fortune? In this video, we'll explore the best cheap drones that deliver great performance, stable flight, and even camera features, all at budget-friendly prices. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for affordable fun, these drones prove you don't need to break the bank to take to the skies. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Drone. Capture stunning moments in any light, sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with crystal-clear 4K resolution. Thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, you can achieve cinematic quality footage with this advanced drone with camera. This drone for adults has a stable flight even in level 5 winds. Brushless motors enhance power and allow takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. 10 km max HD video transmission up to 10 km, 32,800 feet, of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to freely explore vast landscapes and see clearer. Due to platform compatibility issue, the DJI Fly app has been removed from Google Play. To ensure a better product usage experience, please log in to the DJI official website to download the latest version of DJI Fly. There are 3 sets available for you to choose from: 1 battery set, 31 minutes, 2 battery set, 62 minutes, or 3 battery set, 93 minutes. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and let nothing hold you back. DJI Mini 4K supports one-tap takeoff/landing, GPS return to home, RTH, and stable hovering, and one-touch easy operation for novices. Additional in-app learning resources help you master flight quickly. With just a few taps, DJI Mini 4K automatically shoots professional-level videos using Helix, Dronie, Rocket, Circle, and Boomerang quickshots. Getting your dream shot is easier than you think. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE Drone. The Atom SE drone weighs less than 249 g, so there's no need for FAA or remote ID registration, and its foldable design fits in a jacket pocket. A brushless motor ensures stable flight, even in level 5 winds. Capture stunning 12MP photos and 4K at 30 fps HD video with the 1/3 CMOS Sony sensor and shake vanish technology for smooth, stable footage within a 118 degrees FOV and plus 20 degrees to minus 90 degrees tilt. The Surge Fly flight system offers beginner mode plus video, normal, and sport modes, reaching up to 16 meters per second in sport mode. Fly longer with two 2,500 mAh intelligent batteries providing 62 minutes total. With a 4 km control range and PixSync 2.0 low latency video, plus GPS-assisted auto return, the Atom SE is safe and easy for all pilots. Extra features like Follow Me, Waypoint, and Circle Flight let you capture creative aerial shots with ease. Number 3. REDRIE JY02 Drone. JY02 Drone is an ideal choice for beginners to start their first drone flying adventure. One key start can help users to start flying easily. The upgraded hover system ensures a stable flight at a certain height, making it easier for beginners to control the drone and capture high-quality footage. Cool light design adds more fun to the flying experience. Equipped with an adjustable angle 1080p HD camera, JY02 Drone can take better aerial photos and videos. Using the REDRIE Fly app and FPV transmission, you can watch live video and control the drone from further distances. Explore the scenery, capture moments, and share the joy with friends. Explore a variety of captivating features including Waypoint Fly, Gesture Selfie, 360 degrees flips, voice control, Circle Fly, Rotation Fly, 3 speeds, headless mode, and 1-button takeoff/landing. You can take selfies by posture or perform thrilling stunt flights. Whether you're a beginner or a skilled player, our drone promises an enjoyable flying adventure. Enjoy extended flight time with 2 rechargeable batteries, offering up to 25 minutes of fun. Features with overcurrent protection, emergency stop, for propeller guards, and low power alarm to ensure a safe and reliable flight. For your first flight, we recommend an open area. We offer 24-hour service support for all customers. If you encounter any issues with the drone, remote control, or app, contact the seller for a prompt solution. With its compact size and included storage case, this mini drone makes an excellent toy for friends and family. Number 4. Hiturbo S20 Drone. A camera mounted on it can be manually adjusted to see what's in front of the drone while it's flying, or it can be aimed down to see what's directly below it. I'm sure you can take some interesting photos and videos, or even use it to inspect the roof of a house or other hard-to-reach areas. Friends can shoot each other skating and capture really cool videos. The FPV drone has 2 rechargeable batteries, each providing approximately 12 minutes of flight time. 2 batteries can be swapped and charged in rotation, greatly extending the fun time. Note that more flips and faster speeds will reduce the flight time per battery. You can fly the mini drone with remote control or a smartphone. But in order to capture video or images, you must be connected to the drone via Wi-Fi and the Hiturbo FPV app. If you need to use the voice control, trajectory flight and other functions which under the control switch button in the app, you need to disconnect the remote control from the drone. Connect the drone with the app individually. 2 batteries provide you with up to 24 minutes of flying experience. Features such as altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, speed adjustment and voice control make it easy and fun for beginners or novices. This drone is a little easier to operate than other drones, it has fewer steps to fly, no manual pairing required, so it's suitable for people just starting out. If you're considering learning how to fly a drone, make this drone your first one. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to take your imagination to the next level with this starter drone. Number 5. UFLYTOO LA G10 Drone. UHD 4K camera ensures shooting 3840 x 2160p high-resolution images. Combined with 120-degree wide-angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, it brings you an immersive flying experience like never before. A FHD display ensures pilots can see clearly, even in bright environments, and offering smooth, ultra-reliable feeds. Enjoying a more comprehensive control experience. Designed for beginners, precise hovering, auto takeoff/landing, GPS return to home, it can perform automatically return home when the drone lost signal, out of range or low power, never have to worry about flying it away, giving you plenty of confidence in flying. Additional tutorial videos help you master flight quickly. This drone can trace and follow you automatically, fly around a point in circles and more, let you enjoy the crystal clear and brilliant flight experience. This drone comes with a portable handbag, and the foldable fuselage design allows it easy to store and more portable for outdoor traveling. Weight under 250 g to save you from FAA registration, makes it an ideal drone for adults, travel, aerial photography, outdoor activities. Enjoy the fun of flying without the tedious application process and waiting time.